Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to do a quick review of Makita die grinder, and this is model number GD0601. So before jumping to the quick review, let's have a quick look onto the box content. So inside the box you find three things: die grinder, two pair of wrenches and a user manual. The tool have a solid build quality and a robust design and extremely ergonomic grip. The holding area have a rubberized grip which makes it a lot more comfortable to hold on. The tool having 400 watts power and can go up to 25,000 RPM without load. The cooling vents are also worked absolutely fine and prevent the tool from overheating even you use it continuously for 3 to 4 hours. The button design is much similar to the angle grinder and it is also very tactile. The tool having a collet size of 1/4 inch, which means that it can accept all the tools which made for a die grinder, and you can always able to buy a separate spare collet if needed. The one thing I don't like about this tool is the lack of pin locking mechanism for changing the bits. I have a Makita router which I am using for my CNC, and that have a locking pin mechanism, and I think that will be a great add-on in this tool because during the work I found that sometimes it's pretty hard to change the bit and it is also very time consuming. Here on the table I have few different types of bits and grinding wheel which you can use on this tool. I found that even you put a lot more weight onto the tool for the cutting, it didn't slow down and give you a quite good cutting result. If you have to do some small detail work, then with the help of these collet adapter you can use these small burrs also. In the term of sound, the tool isn't that loud, but definitely when you put it onto the load and start cutting, then it creates a lot more noise. And that will also depend upon the type of bit you are using. Usually with the stone grinding burrs, it create a lot more sound compared to those carbide burrs. So I use this a lot in my upcoming builds, and this stainless steel door is one of them, and you can watch the entire build video and use of this tool in that particular video. The link is in the description. So guys, overall said, I found this tool to be a good add-on in my arsenal, and I think definitely in the upcoming builds it is going to be a lot more useful. I hope you like this video, and if so, consider subscribing, and I see you in the next one. Till then, have a good day.